Subject: American citizen, immigration lawyer, targeted with deportation notice. An unprecedented assault on civil liberties. A chilling email landed in the inbox of Nicole Micharoni, a U.S.-born immigration lawyer based in Massachusetts, on April 11th. The subject line: Notice of termination of parole. The content: an order for her immediate departure from the United States, her own country. This isn't a case of mistaken identity or bureaucratic error. This is a blatant and alarming attack on a U.S. citizen, a practicing attorney, and a pillar of her community. Micharoni, a dedicated legal professional fighting for the rights of immigrants, found herself on the receiving end of a deportation threat from the Trump administration's immigration authorities. At first, I thought it was for a client, Micharoni recounted to NBC Boston. But then I looked closer. The only name on the email was mine. The implications are staggering. A U.S. citizen, born and raised on American soil, instructed to leave the country she calls home. The sheer audacity of the action is breathtaking. This incident highlights a disturbing trend under the Trump administration. An aggressive, often indiscriminate, campaign to remove individuals from the United States, regardless of their legal status or lack of criminal charges. The administration's actions have targeted not only non-citizens, many of whom are legally residing in the country, but have also fueled alarming rhetoric regarding the potential deportation of U.S. citizens who, according to the former president, have committed unspecified crimes. The suggestion of sending U.S. citizens to prison in El Salvador, as Trump openly mused, is not only deeply unsettling, but utterly devoid of legal basis. Legal experts universally agree, removing U.S. citizens from the United States is illegal. It's a fundamental violation of constitutional rights, a transgression against the very fabric of American citizenship. Yet, this email to Micharoni serves as a stark reminder that the rule of law, the very principles upholding our democracy, are under siege. This is not simply a matter of administrative error. It's a deliberate, chilling escalation of a pattern of behavior that undermines the foundation of our nation. Micharoni's story is not an isolated incident. It's a cautionary tale. It's a stark illustration of the erosion of civil liberties and the potential for arbitrary and capricious actions by those wielding power. Her experience throws into sharp relief the importance of vigilance, the critical need for accountability, and the urgency of safeguarding the principles of due process and equal protection under the law. This isn't about politics, it's about the very essence of American citizenship. It's a call to action, a demand for answers, and a fight for the preservation of fundamental rights. The email to Micharoni wasn't just an email, it was an assault on the American ideal, a brazen attempt to silence a voice, and a blatant disregard for the rule of law. This incident demands our attention, our outrage, and our unwavering commitment to defending the principles upon which our nation was founded. The question is not whether this is legal, it's how we, as citizens, will respond to this outrageous violation. The future of American democracy depends on it. This is not a hypothetical scenario. This is happening now. This is real. This is our country.